This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Hoa Din. Location and privacy. Welcome to this fabulous 5-bedroom pool home located on a beautiful conservation lot. Bright, clean and lofty open floor plan with tile and bamboo flooring. As you enter the home, you will appreciate the open floor plan which overlooks the screen pool and conservation area. Wake up to deer and wildlife in your backyard. Entertain family and friends in the pool entertainment area, which has 700 square feet of covered lanai. The 16 feet by 30 feet saltwater pool has solar heating and Nebula pool lighting. This gem features a new roof with 30-year shingles, 2013, hurricane windows, 2013, hurricane shutters, 2013, Swan security camera system and a 7,000 kW generator. Bathrooms and kitchen have been recently upgraded. New washer and dryer. The formal dining room and the 5th bedroom/office is on either side of the entry foyer. The dining room has direct access to the kitchen, which opens to a spacious family room with fireplace and built-in cabinets and shelves. The breakfast nook is adjacent to the family room, which overlooks the pool lanai and conservation area. The large owner's suite features a large walk-in closet, vanity with 2 sinks and makeup station, separate shower and jetted tub. Master bathroom has Bluetooth speaker and night lighting. The secondary bedrooms are spacious and have great closet space with an oversized closet in the 5th bedroom. Kinetico reverse osmosis for filtered drinking water and ice. Water softener and water heater are located in the garage with a stair access for storage in the attic. This gorgeous house close to great schools, parks and located in the desirable Countryway Golf Community. 15 minutes to Tampa International and 30 minutes to award-winning beaches. Close to restaurants and shopping. For more details, check the 3D tour. For more information, review